As health, the freeze on U.S. Agency for International Development, USAID funding is significantly impacting critical humanitarian and health programs globally. In the following report, Gloria Milimu looks at the impact of the freeze on TB in Kenya.
As nations of the world grapple with the effects of U.S. President Donald Trump's 90-day suspension of development assistance to evaluate its alignment with his America First policy, here in Kenya, the unprecedented funding freeze continues to leave a trail of uncertainty. And as the landscape of international aid is significantly altered by the shifting priorities of the U.S., Kenya, where foreign aid has been a lifeline, is confronted with ramifications of these cuts that extend beyond financial impacts. Experts warn the freeze poses a threat to TB response services, potentially affecting over 100,000 patients across the country, with risks of treatment disruptions.
If nothing is done, we are likely to see an increase, an upsurge of TB-related deaths. We are also likely to see an upsurge of drug-resistant tuberculosis. We are likely to see an upsurge of new infections among children.
Its meager allocations for TB response now seemingly exposing the country to a potential public health catastrophe should the U.S. government opt to scrap off the aid in totality. Kenya is said to allocate only 9.7% of its domestic resources to TB response, with the other 90 being donor funds.
Are we prepared to face this? I would say no, because being prepared means that we have adequate resources that can take care of all TB interventions with no limits.
Experts reckon Kenya loses at least 23,000 people to TB annually. In 2023, at least 124,000 new infections were recorded in the country, according to the World Health Organization.
This is an opportunity for us to take the responsibility of not just TB response, but for health response as our responsibility and fully invest in health.
Even so, as the USAID program remains in jeopardy, TB patients in the country can only hope that the government will swing into action to mitigate the looming crisis that has left the country staring at a 6-month stock of TB medicines. Gloria Milimu, KTN.